Just got the mushroom coffee. Unboxing mushroom coffee today. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Your new daily ritual. Okay. Bright and smooth mushroom coffee. Okay. 1 tablespoon, 6 to 8 ounces of hot water or cold water. Blah blah blah. Here is the instruction. And vegan, 100% vegan. 2,000 milligram mushroom. For energy, mood, focus, immune support, digestion, longevity. I don't know what that means, but okay. 1 cup a day and adjusting up and down. Okay, start with 1 cup a day. Now, let's see what else. Same flavor, 2 packs. Oh. Creamer, vanilla creamer. Same thing. And here's instruction on how much you need to add. Okay. What is this? Tasting box. Ooh. All right. Okay. A latte. Okay. Some of the guys saying. Yeah, they are. Alright. I am not sponsored by any means. I just got it for myself. And see. Now this is what it is. Oh. Okay. Ooh, what is that? Oh. Battery. Included. Okay, here's the instruction. And of course, we have the logo. It looks it feels cheap, but okay. Alright. I thought it was a bamboo or something, but it's plastic material. Not bad. Okay. What else? You are amazing. I know. That's a magnet. Alright. It's that sticker that goes on the fridge or anywhere else that you want to put. And here's instruction on how to drink. Let's see what's here. And this is a scoop. And this is wooden. All these 3 are wood. Made out of wood. And this is mushroom. Story of your jar. Mushroom jar is unique and blah 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 blah. Wash with no dishwasher or soaking. Okay, handle with care to avoid accidental drop or impact that could cause damage. Alright. Okay, dokie. I guess I'm gonna put this up. And this is going to be a recycle bin. You can read all this. I don't want to. Alright. See you on next episode of Ryze Mushroom, I guess.